Hey Central Coast, it's Brian with SLG Concrete Coatings. Imagine transforming your concrete in just one day. Come home to excellence with a brand new SLG Concrete Coating surface that you will be proud of. 4 times stronger than epoxy, easy to clean, will not chip or peel, and 100% antibacterial and antimicrobial. An ideal solution for garages, patios, front steps, walkways, pool decks, interiors, and any outdoor concrete surface where UV stability and durability are required. Our seamless floors are perfect for extending the living space of your home and come in a variety of designer colors. For the ultimate durability, safety, and beauty, trust your certified SLG Concrete Coatings team, proudly serving San Luis Obispo and Santa Barbara counties. Contact us at 805-934-3881 or visit us at www.slgconcretecoatings.com for a free design consultation. SLG Concrete Coatings, quality you can stand on.